The next software that I found was Edmodo, which is a way to communicate and collaborate with your students and their parents. So for this software, you can create a class, and I was interested in creating this class for my robotics because we go to a lot of competitions. I was really interested in trying to figure out a way to provide my students and their parents access to our photos and videos um, using this software. So you can create a class and send different posts, but you can also, with this, allow students to uh, drop pictures and drop videos. So as we go to competitions and field trips and stuff like that, I like to share the different pictures that I've taken of my students with them. And this works a little bit better than putting it in like our Google Classroom folder, which is a little difficult to find, as well as being able to add their parents to this group, since parents don't really go into Google Classroom at all and can't really find those things. Additionally, we're not allowed to just post pictures of students on social media, so you can't just put them on public places, and this is a way to get around that. So I would use this software for my robotics team and for my students and for my parents so that they would be able to both get images and videos and contribute images and videos for our class. And this technology is aligned with ISTE standard 3.2D, which is to communicate effectively with stakeholders to gather input on the plan, celebrate successes, and engage in a continuous improvement cycle, as well as ISTE standard 3.4B, which is to ensure that resources for supporting the effective use of technology for learning and are sufficient and scalable to meet future demand. So there's no limit on how many you can upload to this, whereas with like Google Drive, there can be limitations depending on your school district.